Hey everybody, here we are at Overland Expo East, day one here. Well, we got here yesterday on Thursday, so it's Friday. There is Grounded with the new trailer, so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the trailer. You may recognize that Intech back there from some of my other videos. That's Dwayne's Intech, and our buddy Jeff's Gladiator over there. So let's walk through the trailer. So coming from the outside first, as you're seeing this version of it, there's definitely be some mods to it. We've got diesel tank here. Obviously it's all hooked up on the old frame that I showed everybody. Here's the structure. We've got water fill. That's for a shore power hookup. And as I walk around it, went ahead and put the 270 awning on. We'll cut through here and I'll walk you in to actually see the rest of it. Just cut through there. Dwayne, say hi.
Oh, what's up?
Getting cleaned up from some breakfast. And here we go, walk into the 270. Yes, we got kind of the chair set up as we walk to the back of the trailer. So here we go. I've got my garage set up here. This has my portable toilet in it. It holds leveling blocks. It also has my WeBoost in there as well. That's access for my plumbing that's in the back there. We've got the drawers, the stairs that I was very happy with, I told you all about. Excuse the towel, kind of covering up the fan cover, but didn't need the fan on right now. So, and let's see some of what the interior looks like right now. So, right now I got the fridge here, that's actually gonna move. Having a little bit of weight challenges with that. The bed I slept great in. Obviously it is not finished up, but queen size bed. The drawers underneath of it for some storage here. So just a little pantry drawer there, utensils, everything there. And then on this side, behind this stuff, I've actually got my induction cooktop. Over here, there's the Tetravan shower, sink above it. I'm probably not going to use that shower. We actually have showers right near here today, and I have my outdoor shower, which if nothing else has been great just to get water for things like coffee. See back there, over there, I got my little 3D printed camp light that's USB powered. So overall, it's been great so far. I am gonna have to make a few changes getting back. I found, like I said, the weight distribution wasn't quite right. I think I'm gonna actually move that fridge up to that front corner. Move the bed back a little bit, have the fridge slide out on the side. It'd take a little bit of work, but I think that's the better option. I didn't like the way it was handling really coming out. So that gives you a real quick overview. Obviously there's the window there. The top will eventually end up popping up. Right now I just have it locked down. Just didn't get to it before Expo. So that's the real quick and dirty walk around of the trailer. For those that have asked the question, the paneling is an aluminum composite. So it's a 3mm on the outsides, aluminum composite, so aluminum on both sides, the foam in the middle. I actually got it from a sign company, believe it or not. And then the roof is actually 6mm. So that's how that's built out. There is the 1-inch insulation before the flooring, before the subfloor and the flooring, and as well as some insulation I put in the sides. So with that, we're gonna go walk around the expo. Maybe I'll see if I can get some footage of that. But I wanted to give everybody a quick view of what the trailer looked like on its first day out. And do remember that these videos aren't the easiest thing to put together all the time. I'm gonna actually go talk to some content creator people with much bigger followings. But if y'all could like and share and follow and all those things and subscribe, that would be great. And we'll keep trying to make some great videos for you. Sorry for the noise. The ambulance for any health issues is actually right behind us. So, but that's it for today, and we will see y'all soon.